Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Today we're taking a look at the Belkin Bluetooth True Wireless Earbuds. And these are the SoundForm edition. They work with iPhones, Androids, tablets, desktops, laptops, pretty much everything that has a Bluetooth connection. And true wireless means that they do not have a connection between the earbuds, so they're completely wireless and independent all on their own. I like these because of the cool design. Shows you battery level here. We'll show you that in just a second. Charges via micro USB port on the back. So there you go. It's got some pre-charge. And here's the earbud itself. We like the cool design. It comes with several ear tips to change out for your ear canal size. And as you can see, it's ready to be paired with a phone. And we just like the design of this. It's very nice. And details about the earbuds will be in the description so you can learn more about them. And then these are from Belkin, and they are the SoundForm True Wireless Earbuds. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.